What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 things that I wish I knew before diving into the world of cybersecurity. Whether you're just starting out or thinking about it, these tips might help you. So let's get started. First up, I wish I knew how important continuous learning would be. Cybersecurity is always changing. New threats and new technology pop up all the time. So staying updated is crucial, just being able to adapt. And if we're talking in the terms of certifications, most important cybersecurity certifications expire within like 3 years. So you either need to retake it, or what I suggest is do not let it expire at all. Make sure that you renew it by getting those continuous education units, CEUs. You can also stay up to date on things by following cybersecurity news, taking online classes, and attend webinars to just keep your skills sharp. Next, I wish I realized that cybersecurity is not just all about technology. It's also about people and processes. Understanding how to communicate risks and educating others is key. Having soft skills is honestly more important than being technically sound. Although there are a ton of ways now that you can keep leveling up your technical skills, I find that it's a little bit harder for others to learn how to actually communicate to non-technical people. Most of your meetings are going to be with higher level management or customers that aren't very technical. So yeah, definitely work on your communication skills and just learn how to explain technical concepts in simple terms. Lastly, I wish I knew the true value of hands-on experience. Reading and studying are important, but I mean, there's really no replacement on real world experience. But y'all are lucky now though, because there's so many good resources out there that you can use to get that hands-on experience, and I'll definitely link my favorites down below. These resources include Hack the Box or Try Hack Me, but honestly, you can learn how to set up your own home lab pretty easily. You can also participate in Capture the Flag events or volunteer for projects to gain practical skills. There you have it, 3 things that I wish I knew before getting into cybersecurity, and I hope that these insights help you along your journey into this industry. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe as well, comment any other questions that you may have. I definitely, will love to help you out if you have any questions or are looking to get into the industry. Oh yeah, make sure to hit that notification bell too for more tips and advice in the future about cybersecurity. Most importantly though, have a good rest of the day. In the meantime, I'm out.